Oh, whoa, we got everything in here, guys. You got your puppy's first poop certificate. You got the name, and you got a date of the first poop. Wait. The eyes look cool. Look at the diapers. Look at those diapers, man. Oh, look, you got stickers. Those are cool looking stickers. You got the poop emoji. You have little poopsie poops and then a paw and then more poo. It's just all pooed out. God, it just looks like Pez's. I just want to eat the poo. Look, I'm already salivating, bleeding. Oh, man, that was a real poop pad. I'm proud of you, Poopsie. He's just shooting them out. It also doubles one of those Minions fart guns. Son, get that out, man. Oh, I want to be careful, man. That's shooting. Camera mom. Come on, the Poopsies. It went down. I lost my Poopsie.